Today, we're diving into computational thinking. It's the secret language behind all programming.
Ever wonder how Python, Java, and C++ all seem to think in a similar way?
Well, the secret is a shared foundation. Think of it as the bone structure for all programming. Every single problem starts with data. Like a student's report card, that's a dataset. So once you have the data, what's next? You've got to have the right tools to work with it. Our first tool is the variable. Just picture a storage box where you can keep and change information.
Okay, but what if you need to do the exact same thing to every single piece of data?
That's where iteration comes in. It's just a fancy word for repeating steps, one by one. The best way to picture this, it's literally like sorting a deck of cards one at a time. And what if you only want some of the data? Well, that's called filtering.
Super simple, right?
Okay, we've got our tools. Now we need a plan, a blueprint to map out our process. And that blueprint is called a flowchart. It's a visual map that shows every single step we'll take. Here are the basics. Ovals are for start and end. Rectangles mean do something. Diamonds ask a question. All right, let's put these symbols to work with our card counting example. See how it looks? See? We start, count, ask a question, do an action, and then loop. The logic just flows. But wait, to stop things from breaking, our data needs rules. That's what data types are for. These are the basic building blocks, like true or false, numbers, and of course, text. Now here's a key difference. Integers are whole numbers. Floats, they're the ones with decimals. A single C is a character. Put a bunch together like computer, and that's a string. Out in the real world, you don't just use one type. You mix and match them for complex data. Think about a shopping bell. It uses strings for names, integers for how many, and floats for prices. So the real question is, how can you use these building blocks to solve your own everyday problems?